Here we are inside Thunderball Cavern with Captain Steve.
Just another manly adventure.
Yeah, geez, we haven't even died yet today. Good Lord.
There's supposed to be all sorts of caves off of this one that you have to scuba dive through.
Oh, really?
And I don't know if you've looked down at the water, but we're surrounded by fish.
Yes. You can only get in here during low tide, which it is now, obviously. Let's take a look underwater, see what's going on down there.
I gotta head back to the boat. I'm getting cold.
I'll follow you. Nope. All right. That was awesome.
It was awesome.